29. The problem, integral of tan x plus 1 dx. So here tan x plus 1 difference is 1. So I will write the tan 1 formula. Tan 1 is equal to tan of x plus 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x tan of x plus 1. Cross multiplication. Tan 1 into 1 plus tan x plus 1 is equal to tan of x plus 1 minus tan x. That is equal to tan 1 into 1 tan 1 into whole expression plus tan 1 tan x tan of x plus 1 is equal to tan of x plus 1 minus tan x. Tan 1 center side. Tan 1 tan x tan x plus 1 is equal to tan of x plus 1 minus tan x minus tan 1. Tan 1 also center side. Tan x plus 1 is equal to tan of x plus 1 minus tan x minus tan 1 whole by tan 1. Integration both sides. Tan x tan of x plus 1 dx is equal to 1 by tan 1 cot 1. Cot 1 are right outside. Integral of tan x plus 1 dx minus, I will do the separately, tan x dx minus tan 1 integral of dx. That is equal to integral of tan x tan x plus 1 dx is equal to cot 1 tan x plus 1 integration log of mod of secant x plus 1 whole into minus log of secant x minus tan 1 in tan 1 into x plus c. There is equal to integral of tan x tan of x plus 1 dx is equal to cot 1 logarithm of mod secant x plus 1 minus logarithm of secant x minus x tan 1 plus c. Next problem, integral of 1 by root 3 sin x plus cos x dx. So let's solve the problem. First, make the in trigonometry one function. So denominator you have to do divide, multiply and divide 2. Integral of 1 by root 3 sin x plus cos x whole by 2 into 2. I will divide and multiply to the denominator for dx. There is equal integral of 1 by 2 right outside 1 by 2 1 by root 3 by 2 sin x plus 1 by 2 cos x, it is not square, into, okay, cos x, there is equal 1 by 2 integral of 1 by root 3 by 2 cos pi by 6 sin x cos pi by 6 plus cos x sin pi by 6. Pi by 6 means sin 30. dx. There is equal 1 by 2. It is the formula sin A cos B, cos A sin B. So sin A plus B formula 1 by sin of x plus pi by 6 dx. There is equal 1 by 2 integral of cosecant 1 by sin of cosecant x plus pi by 6 dx. There is equal to cosecant x formula. It is a linear function. There is no problem to the integration. So cosecant x integration logarithm of tan of x by 2 x plus pi by 6 whole by 2 x by 2 tan x by 2 formula modulus base E. There is equal plus C. There is equal logarithm of mod of tan x by 2 plus pi by 12 plus C, the final output.